First volume, first lesson, first detailed answer, and also it is a very important question. Causes for the First World War. There are so many causes for the outbreak of First World War. First World War broke out in the year 1914 to 1918. There are so many causes. First point, European alliances and counter-alliances. In 1900, 5 of the European great powers were divided into 2 armed camps. One camp consisted of Central Powers, namely Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy, under the guidance of Bismarck, and they formed Triple Alliance in the year 1882. The other camp consisted of Britain, France and Russia, and they formed Triple Entente in the year 1907. These 2 camps and alliances was led to the outbreak of First World War. Second one, emergence of violent forms of nationalism in countries like England, France and Germany. With the growth of nationalism, the attitude of my country, right or wrong, I support it, developed. The love for one country demanded hatred for another country. Then countries like England, France and Germany followed militant form of nationalism, contributing decisively to the outbreak of First World War. Then aggressive attitude of German Emperor Kaiser William II. See here the picture. The picture is Kaiser William, the king of Germany. Emperor Kaiser William II followed aggressive policy. Kaiser proclaimed that Germany would be the leader of the world. The German navy was expanded. This was against by England, so that England also raised the navy, which heightened the tension between the two powers, namely Britain and Germany. Then hostility of France towards Germany. France and Germany were old rivals. Bitter memories of the defeat of 1871 and loss of Alsace and Lorraine rankled in the minds of France. Then German interference in Morocco also added bitterness. So this is also one of the reasons for the outbreak of First World War. Then opportunity for imperial power policies in the Balkans. There are so many Balkan countries are there. Some of the Balkan states are Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria, Albania, Romania, Herzegovina, Montenegro. Austria annexed Bosnia and Herzegovina. This was opposed by Serbia. Then automatically Germany gave support to Austria. Then Russia helped Serbia. So there is an enmity between Austria and Serbia led to the outbreak of First World War. Then Balkan War. Turkey was a powerful country in southwest Europe in the first half of 18th century. The Ottoman Empire extended over the Balkan and across Hungary to Poland. 2 Balkan wars also there. See in the picture, Balkan War is there. Then the Balkan War also one of the reasons for the outbreak of First World War. Then the immediate cause for the First World War. The immediate cause, which included the assassination of the Austrian Archduke Francis Ferdinand, nephew and heir to Francis Joseph, Emperor of Austria-Hungary, by Princip, a Bosnian Serb, on 28 June 1914. Suddenly, Austria sent an ultimatum to Serbia, but Serbia refused to accept it because Russia supported to Serbia. Germany supported to Austria, and also German violation of Belgian neutrality forces Britain to enter the war. Now Britain entered the war, Germany entered the war, Austria entered the war, Russia also entered the war. Automatically World War broke out. See here Archduke Francis Ferdinand picture is there. Then these are the reasons for the outbreak of First World War in the year 1914 to 1918. See here one world map is there. In the world map we can see the triple alliance countries and also the triple entente countries. And also what are the countries followed? What are the countries participated in the First World War? It is easy to study. So study and get more marks. Thank you.